Working at the World Trade Center, it's an amazing experience. The building is spectacular.
I started my career managing the Twin Towers. I was there on 9/11. So to me, it has a very emotional connection, and I'm actually honored to be here to help manage this property. We do use Kimberly-Clark throughout our entire portfolio, and they presented to us their new Onvation Smart Restroom System. And I have to say, from myself to my managers to the cleaning staff, we're blown away by the technology. There's a hub that is installed in the ceiling tiles. Each dispenser in the restroom, which are the toilet paper dispensers, the roll towel dispensers, and also the soap dispensers, have a monitor in them that sends a wireless Bluetooth signal to the hub, which is then dispatched to our employees that have iPads that get the alerts. When they get an alert, they can stop what they're doing to go restock a restroom, mitigating any complaints from tenants that there is no soap, no roll towels, and no toilet paper within our dispensers.
It's an amazing system. I really love it. It allows us to be proactive by giving us real-time information about the condition of the bathrooms. It also allows us to keep better track of bathroom supplies and also the allocation of manpower.
And something that I really like this work easy is that we got notifications in the phones. I really love the system. I'm happy because I make sure that everything's okay in the building.
Casey's new technology has 4 major benefits. One being the sustainability aspect, where we're using less paper. Second, we're able to reallocate staffing to other areas of concerns. The third would be the wasteful spending, and the fourth being a marketing tool for incoming tenants to show them the new technology we added to our portfolio to help the tenant satisfaction. The Onvation Restroom Smart System gives us a huge peace of mind, and we will look to expand this throughout our portfolio.